My country people, I talk am in my last video say I not sure say these two people go last. Abeg before I continue, make una watch this video.
Embarrass me. You know I'm an actress.
You be actress? Who's your actress where you be? You know actress? Who's your stupid actress? You know the world needs to know who you really are. They need to know that you're a thief. You're a common thief.
Baby, please.
Don't worry now.
Do this to me.
Hey, if you try to leave this place, I'm going to show you the stuff I'm made of. I will single-handedly beat you to pop. You know, say something they worry for you. They don't worry for you.
They do me for village.
They do it for village. We'll find out about that. Sit your butts down.
Baby, I don't post this video. You don't see the record me not post this video for internet. I beg.
My country people, wala be like bicycle. See Ivan Okoro. Hey! Nothing we no go see for this internet too. I talk am in my previous video. Say I'm not sure say these two go last. And before you know it, boom. Destiny Etiko come catch Ivan Okoro where she tapped her phone. Come even hide am. Unfortunately for her, she no know say they go catch am. Now so Destiny catch Destiny. Say catch Ivan Okoro. Say where did I know you from? How did I even become your friend? Say so you get mine, collect my phone. Now so Ivan Okoro come dey beg and say babes I beg no disgrace me. I know say you dey record me, I beg no post am. But you know Destiny now na internet drama queen. Na so she come post the video. Everybody come dey shout say DEWU na you be this. Some people believe, some people no believe. Now, so if you see comment section, people they say DEWU. Waiting cause this one, I don't come they beg. I'm say I beg. Now village people, they no one make we become friends. No allow them. Oh, I came with you. I came for you with a good heart. I beg, make you forgive me. That's why everybody come they beg Destiny. Say Destiny, I beg, make you forgive DEWU. This storyline sweet too. I no go lie. I know a lot of you are about on the open here. Say DEWU na this one, DEWU na that one. Make yourself sit down one place. Make you day useful for yourself. Nothing do DEWU and Destiny. They are still good together and they will last. I'm praying for them. Say they go last. At least make this one break the bondage of not having friends. You understand the vibes. My people, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more wenge news they tutorial about. Do not see they do for my page. For my page, no don't moment at all. As they cook am na side, they can't give on. I still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my video. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now. Bye.
Gate. Guy, go upstairs and look for the phone.
No,
I should be there.
I dropped it.
My phone is not ringing. My phone is ringing. So you're a thief. I want to go and meet looking for my phone and you are rushing. Oh, calm down. But your phone must be here. Let him go upstairs and look for it. I mean, please don't be like this. You're my friend. You shouldn't be like this. But you're blocking my way. I'm not blocking your way. I'm looking for my phone. I need to give you something to give to the security man at the gate. Guy, go upstairs and look for the phone. I should be there.
I dropped it.
My phone is not ringing.